Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we have a Dell laptop which is from one of my student, and the problem in this laptop is it is turning on from the charger, but it is not turning on from the battery. It's a Dell laptop. It's Latitude E6320. Okay, so today we are going to repair this, and you will come to know what is the problem which is causing not to turn on from battery but from adapter. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, the board is open now and we are going to connect it with the power cable. So as we said that it is getting on by plugging the adapter, but it is not turning on from the battery. So let's test it with the adapter now. So as you can see, as soon as you plug the power, it has started. It has been turned on because the CMOS battery is not there. That means it is turning on from the adapter. Now we will remove the adapter and we will attach the battery and see it. So there is no movement, no light glowing on the power button. Usually when power button there is a light beside the power button, and when we press the power button the light glows. Now the battery is good in this case, but there is no light. That means it is not turning on from the battery. So first thing what we need to do is we will do cold testing, and then we will inject the voltage. Hopefully this problem is related to discharging MOSFET, and while checking we found that there is one MOSFET here which has been soldered completely. 4 legs have been soldered at once, and it has been repaired earlier before coming here. I mean, it was working earlier from this repair, but now it is not working. So now let's do a cold testing and then we will probe further. So here we have started from this MOSFET which is connected nearby the battery charging, as there has been soldering done. So we will start it from here. Source to drain. Source to drain, it is fine now in this MOSFET. As you can see, there is some value. That means the MOSFET is okay, and this is the MOSFET which is PQ45. So we are probing further other MOSFETs, nearby MOSFETs. No short, no short, no shorting. So actually there shouldn't be any shorting because the laptop is turning on, okay, but maybe there is a discharging MOSFET and it is a faulty. So we are just trying to check it out if we find anything like that. I think no, there is no shorting. Okay, so we will inject the voltage now and we will check it out whether the voltage is passing through those MOSFETs or not. Okay, and then we will probe further. So guys, we have done the diagnosing, and it was quite confusing to find the discharging MOSFET. Finally we found that this MOSFET itself is the discharging MOSFET, and that is this one, and this MOSFET is PQ45, which I told that already somebody has done soldering on this MOSFET. If we check it out on the schematic, we found that the battery connector name is PBAT1 in this case. Okay, so to find where exactly is the discharging MOSFET, we had to follow this line. So here this line goes to P bat plus C, and then later it changes to P bat plus. So this is the point we are looking, and you can see here there are two coils connected to this lane, which is here. This PL1 and PL2 above, you can see. Here is a PL1 and here is a PL20. So this lane itself has came to this MOSFET, that is PQ45. So we when we type this P bat plus here on the search bar, it takes us to this point, PQ45. So that means here is the main voltage, that is 10 volts coming from the battery. Okay, at this 10 volts further gets divided from this lane, and the divider voltage goes to the gate from this. Okay, so here we need to check the voltage, and we have to decide whether this main MOSFET is functioning well or not. If this is causing the problem, then the further lane will not work properly, and maybe this will cause problem to the board, that it may not allow it to turn on. Okay, so let's check the voltage of this MOSFET on the battery mode. So now I have connected the battery, and if you can see, the battery voltage is 10 volt. Okay, and here through this coil this 10 volt is coming. Okay, then it goes to the source of this PQ45. Here we supposed to get 10 volt, that is we are getting. Okay, so now we have to get lower voltage on the gate of this MOSFET, that we are not getting. We are getting 10 volt. If we are getting low volt at the gate of this MOSFET, that is PQ45, then we will get the 10 volt here, which is not coming. As you can see, it is 0.306 something is coming. So that means there is a problem with this MOSFET itself, or maybe something further or behind. So first thing, let's remove this P channel MOSFET and place another one, and after that we will check it out. Here we have found the N channel MOSFET, P channel MOSFET, and we are replacing it. Okay guys, as you can see, we have placed the MOSFET P channel, and now we will check it out with the battery, whether the problem has been solved or not. Okay, so the battery is in. Okay, nothing happens, it is not turning on. So we will measure the voltage once again. No voltage, no voltage, no voltage. I think the battery is not properly inserted. Okay, the voltage is coming. Now let's measure it. Okay, gate, low voltage or no voltage at the gate. Okay, so the voltage is coming out of the drain from this MOSFET. Now let's press the power button. No sign, nothing happens. Okay, it is on now. I think there is a loose connection with the battery, that is why it was not turning on. But now you can see the light is glowing and our job is done. So the problem was this MOSFET. We will connect the monitor screen and we will check it out. See, the fan also is spinning, as you can see. So the board is turned on with the battery. Let's put the screen and check once again. So guys, we have connected the screen now and battery also has been placed. Now let's turn on the board. Okay, so it is turned on. Hopefully display will come. Okay, second time. Okay, as you can see guys, the display has come and our job has been completed. So guys, you saw how we repaired this laptop. This is how we repair multiple brand laptops, and now we have started giving training also to the people who wanted to get trained. We are taking minimum charge compared to others, and how much I know, that much I am trying to train them. So if you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.